So one of the big hurdles of eating healthy is just feeling like you don't have any time. Making a smoothie is a really good solution to that problem. I'm going to make a smoothie based on Kelly LeVeque's concept of the Fab Four. So she recommends that every meal you should have protein, carbs, fats, and fiber. I'm going to also, in addition to that, kind of put my own twist on there and add a few anti-inflammatory superfoods. So let's get started on this. What I'm going to add to this smoothie is some carbs, some fruit. We have frozen peaches and also frozen banana. Now, one thing I like to do with bananas when they get a little too ripe is just pop them in the freezer, and they make great additions to smoothies and also any kind of sweetener that you want, maybe for baked goods. About a tablespoon of collagen peptides. These are grass-fed collagen peptides, and they're really great to support our skin and our bones and our joints. So I'm going to put that in. I'm going to put in a couple of tablespoons of superfood hemp seed. That's full of protein and some good vitamins. It's considered a superfood. So this will add, if I have 2 tablespoons, this will add about 20 grams of protein into this thing. I like that. Cinnamon and turmeric are considered great for anti-inflammatory spices that you can add. And then, of course, some fresh greens. I like to use pre-washed greens because it just is simple to pull them out and pop them in. But you could also just use frozen greens if you wanted to. Or, of course, always you could prep your own. And then I'm going to add a little bit of coconut milk. And for fat, I'm going to add some coconut manna. You can, now on this too, for smoothies, you could add lots of different fats. You could add nut butters or just coconut oil. Some would be really good to add avocado. So I'm just going to put about a tablespoon of this in for some fat. Now the goal of this Fab Four is that, you know, you would able to have this sustain you throughout the morning, so you don't have like major blood sugar levels up and down. You don't have food cravings. You are able to feel satiated all the way until the next meal. And then just to add a little more to this, I'm going to add some coconut water just to add a little more liquid to this. This is really good for electrolytes too. Then we just whip this up. Absolutely delicious. Now you can find all kinds of recipes for the Fab Four smoothies on Pinterest or online or in Kelly LeVeque's book, Body Love. To your health.